A reduction of 20% in the price of salt enabled a purchaser to obtain 4 kg more for 100 rupees. The reduced price of the salt per kg is. Now, price into consumption is equivalent to expenditure. Okay, what is the expenditure here? 100 rupees. Expenditure is constant. Price is reduced by 20%. So when price is reduced by 20%, as the expenditure is constant, the other one must be increased by 20 by 100 minus 20 into 100, which is equals to 25%. So the consumption has to be increased by 25% in order to get expenditure constant. Okay, so consumption is increased by how much percentage? 25%. But according to here is given 4 kg. So 25% of consumption is equal to 4. So C is equal to how much? 16. So the consumption, initial consumption is 16. Now what is the question is asking? The reduced price of the salt per kg. So this is the initial consumption, but after reduced by 20% of the price, what is the overall consumption? 20 kgs. This is after reduction 20 kgs, because he purchased 4 kg more. So 20 kgs is equivalent to how much is given? 20 kg price is equivalent to 100. So 1 kg cost price will become 5 rupees. So the answer is option 2. The reduction of rupees 12 in selling price of an article change 5% gain into 2.5% loss. The cost price of the article is. Now assume the cost price be 100x. Now initial, what is the profit? 5%. So which is equal to how much? So 5x is the profit. Then selling price is equal to how much? 105x. If he deduct this by 12 rupees, so 105x minus 12 rupees is equal to what happens? He will get 2.5% loss. So this will become 97.5 x, because he got a loss of this much. So on simplification, if you bring this 97.5 to the left hand side, 105 minus 97.5 is equal to how much? 7.5x, which is equals to 12. Okay, now what happens here? We have to find the value of cost price of the article. If 7.5x is equals to 12, x is equals to how much? 12 by 7.5 implies 100x equivalent to 12 by 7.5 into 100. Okay, 25.3 is 25 fours, 0.3 ones, 0.3 40s, which is equals to total 160. So the answer is option 2. A tradesman marks his goods at 50% above the cost price. If you reduce the market price by 20%, then the profit will be. He is asking profit is how much. Assume the cost price be 100x. How much is increased? Increased by 50%. Then 50% of 100x is how much? 50x. So 50% of 100x is 50x. So 150x is the market price. This is market price. On market price, how much discount is given? 20% discount is given. So what is 20% of 150x? 30x. If you deduct 30x from 150, you will get 120x. So what is the cost price? 100x. What is the selling price? 120x. The profit is 20x over 100x. So the answer is 20%. So the answer is option 1. Or you can go with other method. There is 2 successive percentage changes, increase followed by decrease. Straight away you can go with the formula x plus y plus xy by 100. When there is an increase, take positive. When there is a decrease, take negative. X First of all, 50% is increase. As 20% decrease, minus 20 plus 50 into minus 20 by 100. 50 minus 20 is 30. This is nothing but minus 10, which is equals to 20%. You can go either of the method. So the answer is option 1. A man wanted to sell an article with 20% profit, but he actually sold at 20% loss for 480 rupees. At what price he wanted to sell it to earn the profit? Assume the cost price is 100x. He wants to get a profit of 20%. Actually, he has to sell it for 120x. But what happens? He sold at a loss of 20%. So he sold at 20% loss. So minus 20 on this. I took minus 20. So 80x. He sold it for 80x. So that equals to 480 given in the question. Implies x is equals to how much? 6. So 80. This is what we will get. But he has to sell it for how much? 120x. So he wanted to sell it for sell it to earn the profit. So 120 into 6. 120 into 6, which is equals to 720. So the answer is option 1. If a man estimates his loss as 20% on the selling price, then his loss percentage is. So he calculated loss on selling price. What I do is I will assume selling price as 100x. What he did, he got loss of 20%. See, so which is equals to 20x. Listen carefully. Here he calculated loss on selling price, but actually loss percentage is always calculated on cost price. Here he calculated loss on selling price. So I am assuming the selling price is 100x, then loss is equals to 20x. So cost price will become how much? 120x. Is that clear? Now, but actual loss is how much? What is actual loss percentage? Loss by cost price into 100. What is the loss? 20x. What is cost price? 120x into 100. On simplification, you will get 50 by 3%. So the answer is option 4. The cost of a house was X lakhs in 2005. After 3 years, the owner of the house sold it for 25% more than she paid it. But she has to pay a tax of 50% of the gain. The tax amount she has to pay is. Very simple. Don't make this question as a complicated one. Look at the question carefully. She sold at a profit of how much? 25%. 25% is nothing but 1/4 of the price. So she got a profit. Profit is nothing but x by 4 lakhs. But what is she has to do? She has to pay tax 50% of the gain. So 50% of the gain. What is gain? X by 4. She has to pay tax this much. What is 50%? 1/2. 1/2 into x by 4, which is equals to x by 8. The tax amount she has to pay is x by 8. Simple. The answer is option 2. Thank you.